Oh shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm turning red because it's hot as hell outside and that's embarrassing, but who gives a shit. So I'm going to be painting mirrors. You can see them, well, the other one's right here behind me, and I think I'm gonna go grab another mirror. I'm moving on Saturday, and so like my rent is fucking hella high and I'm hella broke. So I am trying to like find inexpensive ways to kind of like do my apartment still how I want it. That way I can like save money for like the bigger things like couches, stuff like that you can't really DIY. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint the frames of these mirrors. This one over here, I just feel like it just looks like antique-y and I don't like that. And then this one is like this ugly green bronze color. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint this silver metallic color. So I'm gonna go grab my other mirror and just kind of like show you guys the process. Let me show you what I've done so far. So for this like antique-y mirror, I'm lazy and I'm tired of dealing with tape. Like I don't have painter's tape, so I've basically just been using like this Gorilla duct tape or whatever for this one. So this one, I could actually stick papers in the rim and they fit perfect, and so that'll protect the actual frame from getting spray paint on it. However, this one is still a work in progress. I'm still trying to figure out how exactly I want to do this, like the easiest way to do it, you know what I'm saying? Let's hope that paper can fit underneath that frame because I really don't want to be fucking with any more tape. Shit, almost fell. All right, so this is the other mirror. I hope my phone doesn't fall out of here. Oh, my feet. So I'm gonna try to stick paper in this mirror also, just because like the tape, you guys, I can't do it. So I just have like this little notepad thing and I'm just basically taking tape out of here. Paper. Tape, I'm tripping. It fixed. Okay, perfect. So that's what I'm gonna do for this mirror also. I'm just taping down all the edges of the papers so that spray paint doesn't like somehow get up in between them and get on the mirror. This one's done. It just looks like this, completely covered with paper, which is good. This one's completely covered. I'm just gonna put a few extra pieces of tape on it as well. Well, really just one. So this one, it looks like this now. Whew. Here. All right. So before I start spray painting, obviously I need to have like a clean surface. So I'm just taking these disinfectant wipes, and I'm sure you can use like regular wipes, but whatever. And I'm just gonna like wipe the rim of these mirrors down just to get any dust or anything like that off of them. The spray paint I got was this Rust-Oleum metallic, and this is in the shade Silver Metallic, it says right there. So we're gonna start with the gold one over here. So I'm gonna kind of like turn you guys more to this one. And I'm just gonna start by going in with a layer of spray paint. How hard can it be? Ooh, I feel like this is gonna be so pretty. Oh, I'm just getting dust all over the fucking picture frame. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to keep going like that, right? Okay. I think it's coming out pretty decent. I don't don't know how long I'm supposed to let this sit for. I really don't know what I'm doing. I think it's coming out pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go in for round 2. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to this one. Back to this one. I need a cameraman. So this is one of them finished. I just have to take out the white backing and then that one should be good. And then this one right here. I feel like this one looks so much better silver. I don't know what it is. It looked so old and like outdated gold, but with the detailing in the silver, I just think it looks so good. So that's that one. So that's the end of this video. If you guys want me to keep doing like DIY tutorials on how I'm decorating my apartment and what I'm kind of like throwing together to still get the same effect but for a much cheaper price tag, be sure to thumbs up this video and let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.